Hey there, food lovers. Today, I'm going to share with you one of my all-time favorite recipes, a scrumptious quinoa salad with chickpeas and vegetables. Trust me, this dish is not only healthy but also incredibly delicious. Here's what you'll need. Quinoa, chickpeas, bell peppers, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper, fresh herbs, parsley or cilantro. Let's get started. First, cook your quinoa according to the package instructions. Meanwhile, chop up all your vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Once the quinoa is cooked, mix it with the chickpeas and chopped vegetables. For the dressing, combine olive oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and your chosen fresh herbs. Drizzle the dressing over your salad and voila! A delicious meal that's perfect for any time of day. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy making and devouring this tasty quinoa salad as much as I do. Don't forget to like this video if you loved it, and subscribe to my channel for more mouth-watering recipes like this one. Happy cooking!